for kids.
A for angel, angel means devdoot. B for bee, bee means madhumakhi. C for clock, clock means ghadi. D for dog, dog means kutta. A for egg, egg means anda. F for flower, F for flower, flower means fool. G for goat, goat means bakri. H for horse, horse means ghoda. I for insect, insect means kira. J for jellyfish, jellyfish means jellyfish. K for kite, kite means patang. L for lemon, lemon means neembu. M for mouth, mouth means moon. N for nest, nest means ghosla. O for orange, orange means santra. P for pineapple, pineapple means ananas. Q for queen, queen means rani. R for rat, rat means chuha. S for sun, sun means suraj. T for tree, tree means ped. U for umbrella, umbrella means chhata. V for van, van means van. W for watch, watch means ghadi. X for Xmas, Xmas means Christmas. Y for yak, yak means yak. Z for zebra, zebra means zebra. Like, share, subscribe.